Get excited about the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has less than 15,000 miles. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.